Okay guys, let me show you this device. You're gonna be able to build it yourself without much of electronic knowledge. This is the latest BBSA 3.0. You can find more information by this link here, and I'll post all the links down below this video. Basically, this is a device from protocol, Dr. Beck Protocol, Take Back Your Power, based on his circuit. Mainly here, it was slightly modified to run on 3.7 volt rechargeable battery instead of 3.9 volt batteries, and added a low battery indicator here. But everything else stayed the same, just like he designed in his circuit. With this device, you're gonna be able to produce colloidal silver water and also use it for micropulsing for your wrist to boost your immune system. I will be offering a few options. Option number one will be just the parts, all of the parts you need to build it. Option number two will have tools in addition to the parts, and option three will include all of the accessories which come in the kit. So you can choose whichever option you like, and all of the information I will be leaving down below this video. So stay tuned for my next video, in which I will be showing you a step by step how you can assemble one of these devices yourself. It's not hard, since once you have your tools and your parts list and everything, you'll be able to do it within an hour. Alright, stay tuned for my next video.